Ever look in the mirror and wonder if your toothbrush is actually doing its job? Even the best brushes miss those tiny gaps between your teeth. Food gets stuck, plaque builds up, bad breath follows. Traditional dental floss is the standard fix, but let's be honest. It's annoying, it's easy to hurt your gums, and it's just messy. That is why water is the better way. It has no fixed shape, so it goes where string can't. Today, we are looking at the ZERA Sonic 2X. This is the world's first portable AutoSensor Flosser. It's a huge leap forward in dental tech. Let's dive into why this gadget is changing the game. Dentists have used water pressure for years. It's fast, safe, and effective. This tool brings that professional power to your hand. It's perfect for a quick refresh after lunch. It offers a level of clean that brushes and string just can't match. One big problem with water flossers is the mess. If you pull it out of your mouth while it's running, you spray the whole bathroom. This device solves that with a patent-pending AutoSensor. There is a proximity sensor inside the nozzle. It only sprays when it's at the right distance and angle. No more accidental splashes. You stay dry and you save water. Many flossers are either too weak or too painful. This tool uses advanced pulsing technology. It delivers 1,900 pulses per minute. The pressure hits up to 120 psi. This creates a perfect balance. You get a deep clean without the soreness of a constant stream. This gadget is all about options. It comes with 2 swappable water tanks. Need it to be tiny for your pocket? Use the 100 ml tank. Going on a trip? Snap on the 200 ml tank for more endurance. It also features a storage roulette in the top cover. This holds 5 different nozzles. These easy-click tips cover everything from gum care to tongue cleaning. They stay protected from dust but can still air dry to stay fresh. Everyone's teeth are different. That's why there are 3 smart modes. The soft mode is very gentle, which is great for beginners. The intense and pulse modes are stronger. They are designed to blast away stubborn plaque with ease. Because the spray is tapered, it focuses the pressure into a tiny point. It squeezes into gaps that rigid floss simply cannot reach. You won't have to worry about charging this every day. The battery lasts 4 to 6 weeks on a single charge. It's waterproof and protected against overheating. Plus, it's eco-friendly. By using this, you stop throwing away single-use plastic floss. It's better for your teeth and the planet. This tool is lightweight and weighs less than 180 grams. It fits right in your bag. Whether you are at home or traveling, you can keep your smile perfect. If you want to upgrade your routine, check it out. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. You can find the link to the product in the description below. Thanks for watching.